Alright everybody, we're here at 7610 Hazard Center Road in San Diego, California. Look at that. That's not California code compliant. It was originally an Otis. Look at that door close button. It's like jammed in. Let's go to 4. Close does not work. Maybe it works after a certain amount of time. Let's see real quick. Nope, it doesn't work at all. It'll close when it wants to. There's also a couple escalators. This is kind of like an outdoor strip mall, pretty much. It's nice though. This is car 3, so there might be more just in this car. We'll go to 4 one more time. It'll close when it wants to. We'll start by getting a cab view. It's a pretty nice elevator overall. The lot is not too bad. Two, not the 4 I started on, like I thought. That's okay, we'll end it here. There's a trolley. Alright, that'll be it. And the uplight is still on. There's the trolley though over there, that's pretty cool. Alright, well anyway, that'll be it.